The fourth question of the test. You're going to need a distribution. And as I said, because there's no equal sign, you're not solving for x, you're just simplifying the expressions. And when you simplify, you'll be able to determine which expressions are equivalent or not. If we look at b, 6x minus 1, those are not like terms, so we cannot combine them. So it's in its simplest form. So we can look at a first. When we do distribution, we take our outside number and multiply it to our values on the inside. Now we can't do x minus 1 because they're not like terms, so we can't combine them. So we have to do distribution. We have to do 6 times x, which gives us 6x. We drop that subtraction sign down, and then we do 6 times 1, which gives us 6. And then we have to bring down that plus 5, because our plus 5 is being added to this, so we're still just adding 5 to the aftermath. So there are like terms here. We have a negative 6 and a positive 5. Negative 6 plus positive 5 is equal to negative 1, so we can just write it as 6 minus 1. And we notice right off the bat, A has the same expression as B. So from here, we do the same idea. We do the distributive property. So we take our outside number, multiply it to our first value. 6 times 1 gives us 6. We drop that subtraction sign down, and then we do 6 times our second value. 6 times x just gives us 6x. And we added 5 to this expression, so now we're just adding 5 to this expression because they're the same expressions. Now we can combine like terms even though there's a minus 6x in between. So we have a positive 6 and a positive 5. 6 plus 5, that's going to give us 11. 6 plus 5 gives us 11. And we just drop down that minus 6x. Now this is as far as we can go with simplifying it because these are not like terms, so we cannot combine them. So we can tell right off the bat that these two expressions are the same, and this expression is not the same as those two. So what we're going to do is now solve or simplify for D. And same idea, you're not using the distributive property because there are no parentheses, but you can combine like terms. I'm going to let you guys do that one on your own. You're combining the 5 and the negative 6 because those are like terms, and then you can write that out and compare it to the rest. And you should find out that the only expression that does not work is this one. It's not equivalent.